Understanding System Freeze, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the English language, system freeze. This term is widely used in technology, but it can also be a metaphor in everyday conversation. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it effectively. System freeze refers to a situation where a computer or a digital system stops responding to any commands. It's like when your computer screen becomes unresponsive, and nothing you click or type has any effect. In everyday language, this phrase can be used metaphorically to describe a situation where things come to a sudden halt or stop working as expected. The term originated in the world of computers and technology. When a system freezes, it usually requires a restart or some technical intervention to get it working again. It's a common problem that many people experience with electronic devices. In everyday conversation, system freeze can be used metaphorically. For example, if someone is overwhelmed and suddenly stops functioning effectively, you might say they've experienced a mental system freeze. It's a creative way to describe being stuck or unable to proceed in various situations. Technological. My laptop had a system freeze during the presentation. Metaphorical. When asked a tough question, he had a system freeze and couldn't answer. It's important to distinguish system freeze from terms like system crash or system failure. A system crash implies a more serious problem where the system stops and cannot recover without a restart. A system failure is even more severe, indicating a total malfunction. System freeze is usually less serious and often temporary. System freeze is a versatile phrase in English, useful in both technical and everyday contexts. We hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase more confidently. Remember, language is all about expressing ideas clearly, and now you have one more tool in your linguistic toolbox. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.